Labona kuyenzeka ebumnyameni. Kuyavela nasekukhanyeni. Story time ngivumelene ngithethe. This is during COVID time. Into ebuhlungu. So besingana choice nako lento eyenzekile because bekumele sikholele yonke into eshoyo. Sharp. Nginomalumekazi ushade nomalume wami. Lovely beautiful sunshine. Bayaphilisana, banendlu yabo. Like bahlala umunye nomunye nabantwana bakhe. But bahlala bonke ku cute, like yonke into yinhle ihamba kahle. Sharp. Kufike le season mose COVID vibes mose abantu bayashona and kuba busy into ezikanjalo. How ugeli ke bokumuntu ogood when it comes to amapolice. Kusho ukuthi from esidini lethu uyabhalisa to esidini la kubo uyabhalisa. Yilo muntu lo mekathola amapolice uzobona ngaye sekathenga imoto. Yilo muntu mekathola ipolice uzobona ngaye sekakhulisa indlu. Yilo muntu mekathola ipolice ubona ngabantwana bakhe bahamba ama-international trips. So kahle yilo muntu oyenza imali ngomndeni nangokufa. Uya understand? So uyilo member leyo. Sharp. COVID time iyangena i-COVID lovely kusho ukuthi agulelo babakhe. Babakhe mekagula kuba ukuthi babakhe uba ne-cancer. Bekaba ne-cancer bayidiscovera sekulate and ayikho into abangayenza bese stage nokugcina kuba umuntu oshonayo. Sharp. Ubabakhe mekashona aclaim vele whatever le ayiclaimayo. But manje inkinga iba la because lo muntu lo ilo muntu ophambi ama-societies, ilo muntu obamba imali, treasurer and phezu kwalokho yi-COVID kusho ukuthi umuntu oshonile asikhona ukumbona. Ubonwa umuntu oyi-1 kuphela. You understand? Maybe ayo-identify 1, 2 nanoma isidumbu siza ejaradini siqoba yilowo muntu oyi-1. So because of le ndoda eshonile which is ubabakhe, umfazi wakhe usaphila, so umfazi wakhe uyezohlala ematrasini, so yena kuzoba umuntu wama-earrings ukuthi ayenza ama-up and down, ukuthenga ama-veggie, ukuthenga inyama and kube umuntu vele oba ne-attitude ukuthi uzozibambela umngcwabo kababakhe, ufuna ukuzenzela yonke into. Sharp. So thina sabantu nje kuphela esizosupporta umngcwabo. How beautiful. Umngcwabo kube yi-send off enhle. Trust me, from i-society yaselokishini ikhipha ama-veggie to i-society ekhipha imali to umasingcwabisane lo lethenye imali. Like she had a lot of financial schemes ezizile to deliver. You understand? Besides when your clientele, besides when your capital funding ye funeral and sengibala lezi mina zaselokishini nje kuphela yizo kuphela. How 6 years down the line ubaba uyaphila guys. Ngicela ukunitshela ukuthi ugirl faked ukufa kwababakhe. Yini le besingcwaba eboxini? Yini le besingcwaba eboxini? Because nangibabakhe uyaphila uhlala lapha eSnake Park. Ugirl even bought another house. Ibizwa leyo nto leyo guys. Sesixhubana kanje kanti guys kubi. Bangimbona mina like bengishuka. Ukilabona ukuthi khona abantu ababa ne resemblance engathi iyafana or kube ukuthi hayi manje ngibona umuntu ofana nomunye but uye ugirl took ubabakhe emakhaya for some certain period of time so that indaba ilale. Indaba maselele baba uyabuya ubaba usebenzisa i-ID because ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-ID yakhe mele ithi deceased. So guys senza kanje vele.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Hey bonang potuqoqa story let's share something bala. You know vele le ndema police it really sucks Nkosi yami. That's why ithola abantu babulala ama family members, bangani, bantwana babo because of money. Oh imali mpanze yesono ended. So I think ngathi kungaba nendlela manje ukuthi umuntu avume ukuthi insure adisayinele ukuthi ngiyavuma ku-insure because bantu basi-insure singadi bantu bafuna ukusidelete because bafuna imali guys, imali imbanzi yesono ngempela yadi. So naku umuntu fake kufa kwababa wakhe so that adokhona kuthola imali ye-insurance, adokhona kuthola imali knowing very well ukuthi baba wakhe uyaphila. This is so sad ukuthi samuntu omdala uyomhlalisa emakhaya so that bantu bangamboni ukuthi uyaphila, but this world is too small. Mhlaba mncane ngalinye indlela, mhlaba mncane kakhulu futhi ayikho oyindzaba lehlala ifihliwe lengaveli ngaphandle. Cha guys, hlazo leli nje, imagine ufake that yababa wakho because of money. Rosemary baning la mhlabeni. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.